So you own some vacant land, but you weren't in it for the long haul, and now you're sick of paying the annual taxes. You initially bought the vacant land to build on, but it doesn't seem like you ever really will. You just accepted an offer on your vacant land, and you need to decide what to do with the check after closing. Maybe you haven't decided yet to sell. Liquidate your vacant land here in Tucson to capitalize on one of these great opportunities. Hi, my name's Carl Krenzel. I'm the broker over here at Carl Buys Houses, and there are several great opportunities that you may want to take advantage of if you've got vacant land here in the Tucson area. Opportunity number one, start a savings fund. Liquidating your vacant land can allow you to start a savings fund. You know, it's never really too late to save money. You could save for a larger purchase in the future like a new house, or maybe a grandchild you just had and you want to start a college fund. Check around a few banks for different investment options to find the best return for your savings account, because believe you me, this is a slower, less risky investment than the stock market or certainly forms of real estate. Opportunity number two, invest in something else. There are so many ways that you can invest money. If you liquidate your vacant land here in Tucson, you could reinvest in a different piece of vacant land or maybe a new area. You could put down a new down payment on a new house or even a rental property to make some residential income. You know, if you wanted to, you could even invest in the stock market with plenty of types of companies and varying degrees of risk right now. You could select a stock in your favorite company or go with a bulk investment in a mutual fund. There are tons of opportunities, companies, and apps that make investing simple. Opportunity number three, you could make improvements. Liquidating your vacant land here in Tucson would now allow you to remodel the kitchen. You might even be able to spring for some countertop upgrade you always wanted, or maybe your teenager's first car needs a little fixing up before you hand over the keys. The proceeds from your vacant land sale will be a great fund for improvements, and there's always something you need to fix or put money into. This would be a great relief for that much needed improvement. Opportunity number four, pay down debt. Ugh. You know, we live in a society right now that pretty much everybody's in some sort of debt. The smart thing you do once you liquidate your vacant land would be to pay down some or maybe even all of your debt. Pay down some of your credit cards to avoid extra interest. Make extra payments on your mortgage. Pay off a large portion of your car loan and reduce your insurance costs. Large payments over the minimum due will save you interest in a long, long time. Opportunity number five. Well, this is obvious. You could have some fun. Going on a much-needed vacation would be a wonderful thing to do with the proceeds from your vacant land. Especially when you think about it, you know, once you liquidate your land here in Tucson, you could go somewhere you always wanted to. You could explore somewhere new, like a state you've never been to, or, I don't know, go on a cruise for the first or maybe even the fifth time. Taking time to enjoy the adventures in life, well, that's priceless. Maybe you've had your eye on a boat. You know, every time you go down to online and look for some at a sporting store. Maybe your spouse wants a new car. Maybe you need a new computer. I mean, the proceeds from the vacant land sale would be a nice chunk of change. It would buy a larger purchase that you've been wanting, but you didn't want to go into debt for. Why don't you give me a call today? Give me a call at 520-403-6227 or use the link below and send me a message to discuss liquidating your vacant land here in Tucson or how to capitalize on a great opportunity. Thank you so much for paying attention, and as always, have a powerful sales day. Bye-bye.